Welcome to the Barossa Valley, a region northeast of Adelaide that is famous for gourmet food and award-winning wine production. In this episode, we'll be eating and drinking our way around the region, immersing ourselves in wine culture, visiting one of the oldest wineries in the area, and finishing off our day by getting hands-on and learning how to blend our own wine.
First up this morning, we've actually come to the Maggie Beer Farm shop. It's just incredible. It's this beautiful organic farm, and they have this little farm shop. We can go in and you can try all the different quinces, all the different sauces, do a gin tasting. A really nice way to start our Barossa tour today.
Maggie Beer is an Australian cook who is famous for her wholesome, hearty food that is good for the soul. Her farm shop reflects her love of cooking food that is made to be shared.
So we're currently in the Maggie Beer Farm shop, and basically you can walk around the whole place and just try a whole bunch of different Maggie Beer products. Ooh, it's like sour and sweet all at the same time.
If you're feeling a bit more peckish though, the farm eatery is open for lunch and serves fresh organic cuisine that is sure to tantalize your taste buds.
So aside from being able to taste all the yummy things at Maggie Beer's farm shop, you can also walk around. She has a farm walk, and she also has an aviary that is full of beautiful pheasants and all different like chickens, roosters, geese, birds like that, as well as some beautiful peacocks. Well, one beautiful peacock. Yeah, it's just a really cool kind of place to come and hang out.
After a wonderful morning at Maggie Beer's, it was time to head to one of the oldest wineries in the Barossa Valley to discover for ourselves what makes the wine in this region so special.
So we're at Rockford's Winery, which is one of the wineries here in the Barossa, and we're going to be doing a bit of a wine tasting, which I'm pretty excited for because I like wines and I've been learning a lot about wines today. Hopefully I'm going to be a wine sommelier by the end of this tasting.
One of the best things here about Rockford wines is you can actually see the working area where a lot of the wines are made. You can see the 140-year-old de-stemmer where they hand put in all the different grapes on the stems, and the stems come out the bottom and the grapes and the juice go out to the side. And you can see the old press that's, almost 200 years old. That's just used to like slowly push down the wine.
Fruity with a hint of chocolatey notes and cinnamon. Wine terms.
She's lying. She knows nothing about wine. Nothing.
It's got hints of oakiness, and it's like butteriness. So of course no wine tasting would be complete without picking up a bottle of wine to take home. Here we've gone for a GMS wine, which was one of the wines that the ladies inside recommended, and yeah, see how it goes.
To finish off this perfect day in the Barossa Valley, we're heading to Penfolds Winery, one of the largest producers of wine in Australia. Here, we'll be learning what it takes to make an award-winning blend before getting our hands dirty and attempting to make our own.
I'm ready to make wine. So I have my lab coat on and I'm ready to make some wine. I feel like super legit, like I'm in a lab. I just need some goggles. But to be honest, I know nothing of wine, so hopefully we learn a little bit today and make some wine that tastes good.
Penfolds Winery offers a unique hands-on wine blending experience in the Penfolds laboratory. First, you'll learn about what goes into an award-winning blend before getting to work and blending your own version of a GMS, from Grenache, Shiraz and Matara, just like the Penfolds' famous Bin 138 blend.
This is my first blend, so we're gonna give it a taste.
You want to tell me what's in it?
I went with 50% Grenache, 25% Shiraz, and 25% Mataro.
What do you think?
It's not the best wine I've ever.
After your first trial, I will review the percentage for the main ones very high. Again, red cherries, so much more dark, the red fruits, very aromatic. To do that, because they only focus on the region.
I think it's pretty good.
So the other one,
I drink this. I drink anything.
So we started from
It's concentration.
I know, it's gonna be the best one.
Is it?
The best one ever. Oops. Oh, that was too much.
You're gonna go 70 Shiraz. Whoa. I feel like Shiraz is such a grown-up drink.
All good?
Yeah. Go for it. Is that
Hold
how you
it.
smell it?
Yep. Hold it up, look at the colour, tilt the glass.
I don't taste wine that often.
check them all.
Well, third time's a charm because this one is actually pretty good. I added more Shiraz to give it a bit more body, and I added, yeah, that's about all I did different. Less of the Grenache. Look at this mess we made.
Take away a bottle of your own creation. Quite cool.
What does that do? Take
So
that
that's
bubble.
argon gas.
Whoa.
Alright, cool beans.
Guys, look, I made my own wine.